I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: battery above 20% and Wi-Fi or mobile data turned on. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings, then tap network and internet or connections depending on your Android skin. Make sure you already know the exact SSID and password for the network you want to join. This saves time and avoids repeated attempts. Now, you're at the network menu and ready to choose the next connection method or network to switch to. You'll tap Wi-Fi to view available SSIDs or mobile network to adjust cellular settings. If switching Wi-Fi, select the target SSID, enter the password, and tap Connect. If it asks, accept any certificates or captive portal prompts. For cellular switching, open mobile network, choose preferred network type, for example 4G or 5G, or edit the APN fields if required by a carrier. Make sure to wait for the connected status. Abrupt navigation can interrupt authentication. Once connected, confirm by opening a web page or running a quick network test app to ensure traffic flows. If the device still won't reach the internet, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or briefly enable airplane mode, then disable it to force reconnection. If that fails, restart the phone and reattempt connection. As a final step, reset network settings from system options. Note this erases saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, so back up credentials before you proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.